Hey kids, let's do a foundations lesson. Whee! Oh wait, I tricked you. There is no foundations lesson today. Whee! Oh, okay, because I want to use this time to talk a little bit about what's happening next year. Some of you guys already know this. And if you already know this, put your hand on your head and then drop your chin like this. And just watch the rest of this video like this. But some of you don't know this, so here's what's happening. Miss Whitney has found a job in her hometown, so she won't be back. I know. I'll miss her very much. She's a good friend of mine. She won't be at BGS next year. Instead, I have accepted the counselor position, so I will have Miss Whitney's job next year, which means I'll get to see you guys next year too. Whee! Oh, and the year after that in 4th grade too. Whee! Oh, and the year after that in 5th grade too. Whee! Okay, so I just want everybody to know that. And now here is your foundations lesson. Aha! Ha! I got you again. You have to click on the second link for your foundations lesson. So click on your second link and you will get the foundations lesson.